Hello friends, welcome to GrapiEarth. Today I will show you how to create Facebook profile screenshot in t-shirt design. Look like this. Also you can do it easily. So let's start now. First open Adobe Photoshop software. Then open your photo with white t-shirt. Look like. Now I need some Facebook profile screenshot. Now you can bring a screenshot from your Facebook profile. Look like. Then open this screenshot in Photoshop. Then adjust as you want. You can transform easily. Then click OK. Now change blending option. Change to multiply. Then click Ctrl plus T. Then adjust. Then adjust if you want. Then click OK. Now click Mask tool. Then select Brush tool. Click arrow. Choose hard round. Size as you want. Hardness 100%. Mode normal. Opacity 100%. Follow 100%. Make sure foreground color is black. Now click erase. Erase this. Now see this. Comment on how you like today's tutorial. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends and be the first to get interesting tutorials. Then subscribe to our channel now and press the bell icon. Alright friends, I am finishing today's tutorial here. We will see again in the new tutorial. Take care everyone.